we're gonna blow this thing up. It's full of powder. It's gonna go right under that Jeep. So let's see how this. Not even the bottom floor on that truck anymore. This Jeep is open. Dang. That truck, this Jeep is wide open now. Imagine if you were sitting there. God. Yeah, you bent the frame too. It's like pushed in here and everything.
No, that's crazy.
Dang. That's crazy.